It is the end of today's climb. We're at like 4,000 and some change. And we're at the view of Walker Mountain. Johnny, show them what we won. Oh, palatial. Palatial. Look at that. So, it is 42 degrees out today. It feels every bit of it up here. My hands are very fumbly, and the trail, as you can see, is quite tight. It's I'm getting saturated the last 2 miles of my day. Mile and a half I think I have left. But it's gorgeous. It smells super pretty. Like, look at this. Look at this little guy.